Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Jackie, and yes, so if you hear noise in the background, that is the air condition. I did turn it on because it's pretty hot in here, and I wanted to feel a little fresher so I won't be sweating in my video like my last couple videos. So yeah, so like I did put in the description, I am going to be doing a makeup look for back to school. This is something I would probably do on the first day. So so I'm gonna start off by priming my face, and to prime my face, I'm gonna use the Peter Thompson Raw Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. And I am gonna be using this one to mattify my skin because, especially since it's kind of hot right now, I really don't want to be sweating while I'm in class and stuff, because that's just no thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelid with this concealer. I really need to get an eye primer because the one I used to have got kind of like, I don't know, just weird. So I need to go pick up one. So yeah. So for our eyes today, we are gonna be using the new L'Oreal Paris Paradise Enchanted Scented Eyeshadow, and this is like the peach one. And yeah, so we're just gonna go in to set our eyes with this Beauty Creations fluffy brush, and we're gonna take this shade right here, and we're just gonna take this all over our eyes. So I'm gonna be going in with this shade right here for my transition shade. I'm gonna take this all over my crease. So next to go in with the crease to make it just a little bit more darker, we're gonna go in with this shade right here, and we're just gonna darken it up a little bit more. So we're gonna get this other brush right here, and this is more of an angle small brush, and we're gonna go in with this shade right here just to darken out the outer corner just a little bit more, but not too much. So for the inner corner, we're gonna go in color right here in this outer corner, and we're just gonna take that all over the inner lid. Right there. I love this color, so nice. Then I'm gonna go back into this shade right here. I'm just gonna blend it all together so there won't be no harsh lines. We're gonna move on to the foundation, and for foundation we're gonna use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD, and I have these two shades, and the shade Y335, and these are the ones that I get from my Sephora Play, and I love this. Like, this shade fits me perfect, but hopefully it still fits me, because I know I've been getting in the pool and stuff like that, so I don't know if I've gotten just a tad bit darker. So for concealer, we're gonna go with this It Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination, and this is a full coverage anti-aging waterproof concealer in the shade medium, and this is the one I got from Sephora, and I have just a little bit left, so I kind of wanted just to finish it up, and why not today. So yeah, there's not that much left, but there is some left, so I'm gonna try to finish this up in this week, so hopefully I could do that, guys. I love how brightening that looks under the eye. So I'm just gonna go with this Maybelline one. The rest of the face, just a couple dots right here to blend it all in. So this is the, like I said, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. And I do have something in my eyes bugging me. Oh, I don't know what it is, guys, but whatever. I'm just gonna continue on. So my phone died and I just finished up powdering my face with the, wherever I didn't set with the loose powder, I set with another powder all over my face. So I'm just gonna go in with my bronzer and bronze up the face. Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in this shade Hotel Harris, and I'm gonna use this small, more angled of a brush to bronze and slash contour my face. So for blush and highlight, I'm gonna use this Ulta Beauty blush and highlight duo right here, and I'm gonna go ahead with this Beauty Creations brush, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and it's nude pink. I'm just gonna take this in my cheeks and bring it back. And then for highlight, we're gonna go in the shade Fresh Glow right here, and this is a fan brush from Beauty Creations, and this just gives you, it's not intense, it looks like such a nice natural highlight, and I kind of like this because like sometimes I don't want to be like too intense of a highlight, so I want this nice subtle highlight. So this one gives me exactly what I want, and it's just so pretty and I love it. Just gonna take this all over my face. We're just gonna go ahead and set the face before finishing off the eyes and our lips. So for setting spray, I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray, and this is amazing. So for mascara, I'm gonna use this Voluminous Superstar, I think. I don't know, the name is rubbing off, but this is from L'Oreal. This is a 1-2 step, so I'm just gonna apply this on both my eyelashes, yeah. For lips, I'm just gonna go in with the Tarteist lip paint, and this is the shade Birthday Suit, and I love these Tarte lip paints. They're just like so creamy, they feel so nice on your lips, and just like they like dry kind of matte, but like I don't know, like it's just, I don't know how to explain it. You guys need to try these if you guys haven't. Like they're amazing. I can't get this open. I need to go pick up the full size one because this was for the birthday one last year at Sephora. So this is the final and complete look, and hopefully you guys liked it and enjoyed it, and I don't know, hopefully you guys like recreate something for like your back to school. Maybe you guys want to wear something like this or similar to this, and yeah, so this is what I'm gonna be wearing my first day back to school. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for that, and hopefully if you guys like this video, make sure you give it videos a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.